Salam everyone, hello and welcome. This is Aya, and today's video I'm going to create a very fun game that we used to play when we were a little kids, which is XOXO. So if you're interested, keep watching. So in order to create this game, I'm going to use shrink film by Grafix, and let me show you some shrink film that I have. So I have clear, white, and metallic. And metallic, there is a gold and silver. So there is a design shrink film which has some images, and you just need to color it. And I'm going to link in the suggested video in the end some videos where I use the design shrink film. Now for today's game, I'm going to twist it a little bit. I'm not going to draw XOXO, but I'm going to stamp fruits. So we have, for example, apple team and lemon team. You can do this with any images you have. I have here VersaFine ink. This is a very crisp black ink. Also, I'm going to color the images using Faber-Castell markers. You can choose any markers. And if you notice, I'm trying just to color the center, not touch the edge of the apple, so it will not get smudged with the ink. Yes, this is a very fun. After that, you're going to cut it. You need to be precise when you cut it. Come on, just use a small scissor to be really easy to cut your images. Now it's time to shrink the film, and you have two options. Either you use a heat tool, and which I'm going to use today, or you take it directly to the oven. You have like a written instruction, in the package of the shrink film. It's really simple and easy, but for me, I really prefer to use a heat tool. So now let's do the apple. You will take your heat tool, try to make it hot before you expose it to your apple or to your shrink film, and try, to expose the heat from all direction. I know sometimes got, very crumbled that you feel you ruin your shrink film, but believe me, not, just continue adding the heat. And now let's do the lemon. Same way, just try to hold it using any tool, but be careful because everything is extremely hot. And ta-da! Our game is ready. Really, we had so much fun time playing with it. My daughter was an apple, team, and I was the lemon team. Of course, you can change it. You can stamp animals or flowers or any fun characters, or even you can draw. So this is the video for today. I hope you like it and get inspired. Please give the shrink film a try. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!